The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Callaway County, northeastern Osage County, Montgomery County, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Chamois, or 15 miles southeast of Fulton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chamois around 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Portland, Steedman, Reform, Mocaine, Morrison, Americus, Danville, High Hill, and Middletown. This includes the following state parks: Grand Cave State Park. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 161 and 183. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing widespread damaging winds. A tornado watch until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday for portions of central and east central Missouri. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Osage, Missouri,